In this video, I'll show you how to book a hotel using Marriott free night certificates, such as the ones that you can get from certain Marriott credit cards, from reaching Marriott Titanium status, or from certain Marriott promotions. I'll also show how you can increase the value of your certificates by topping them off with up to 15,000 Marriott points. An example of that would be booking a hotel that costs 55,000 Marriott points using a certificate that's worth only 40,000 points. I'll also explain a potential glitch that can happen if you're trying to use a free night certificate and what to do when that happens. I'm going to demonstrate using my laptop because you currently cannot top off Marriott free night certificates in the app, and I also found that when using these certificates in the app, I'm a little bit more likely to run into potential glitches. Anyway, let's dive into the Marriott website. Here on the Marriott website, you can enter your destination and select your dates. I'm looking for a hotel near Disney World on June 2nd. Check the box for use points and certificates, then click Find Hotels. I'm going to click View Rates for the new Swan Reserve that's in between Epcot and Hollywood Studios, and then I'm going to click Select for my room. You might be asked to log in at this point if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be taken to the reservation details page, and if we scroll down, you can see that my 50,000 point free night certificate that I got from my Bonvoy Brilliant credit card is already selected. I also have to top it off with an additional 3,000 points. Make sure you don't select this option, which is to redeem points for the total cost of the room, because if you do that, the free night certificate will not be used up for this reservation. So we'll just click back up. If we look at the summary of charges, we can see that I'll have to pay 3,000 Marriott points, as well as a resort fee and some taxes, which will be charged to a credit card. If we scroll further down on the page, we can enter our credit card details, but I won't show you that part for privacy reasons. Once you're done with that, go to the bottom of the page and click Book Now. A potential glitch that can happen is you don't see your free night certificate available to select. If I change my dates so that it's a 2-night stay from June 2nd to June 4th, we can see that I actually have a 40,000 point certificate, but this was not showing up when I tried to book just 1 night at this hotel earlier. If this happens to you, the best thing to do would be to call Marriott and make a reservation through the phone. I'm going to put a link in the description to the Marriott phone numbers that you can call to do this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section where you're planning to stay with your free night certificates.